My name is Kirk Hayes. I'm the supervisor of grounds at Rowan University in Glassboro, New Jersey, and so far I'm very happy with Easy Street. I'll probably be using it again. First of all, I used it on the path, this dirt path, for like a year. I couldn't get the holes and ruts to fill in. I had to use this 3/4 stone and it never really worked. So I used the Easy Street. So far it's been really good. I got 2 truckloads I used on the path. The path's been a lot better. This area here was where we had a lot of problems because when cars come around the bend, RTVs and Z mowers and tractors, we were having a lot of ruts. The biggest problem was with the Z mowers, with the small tires, when we were going through here with the rocks, we kept on getting flat tires. I had to take it to the garage constantly, get them fixed. So we put a lot of the Easy Street here, and over here you can see where we put Easy Street down here. It's been really good since we put the Easy Street down. I haven't had any problems with tires or anything else. It's staying there pretty much all day long. People are coming through here with RTVs. Haven't got any holes lately, and I mean, I'm really happy with it. Everything's flat. See, it's like a rock. See? I've actually thought about putting it in little islands around campus where we have like just stone or grass that doesn't really grow, and we spend all the time weed whacking it. I'll probably have 20 different ideas of what I'm going to use it for.